This is actually like fairly small, but it's on mount. I did not know that. Doesn't have battery. Doesn't look like it. That's the side port. That's the side port, and then these are all the other ports on it. There is no battery on it currently. Okay, so there's that. So if I take this right here, it sticks on. It's fairly strong, not gonna lie. And this rubber, it's thick. It's strong. And this is the little magnet that comes along with it. That is like a little hockey puck, but it's cool. That is the white orange or white amber, and then this is the white yellow. Okay, so this is one of the color combinations. This one is the orange. So if I press it one time, it's constant on. Another time, we'll do like some sort of hazard thing. And then, make it better. And if I press it again, I'll go to one side. And then it'll turn off. Right now, when it's charging, it would flash a light. So if I press front, there's front. I press it another time, it's like hazard mode, and then it's gonna direct you. So both of these sides will also allow you to change with this button right here, the brightness. So as you can see, it will keep on going down. It's high, medium, low, and then really low. I'll go back to bright. And then if you press this button right here, so it will turn off the rear. So if you press this in the front, it will have a little spotlight, and it can also blink too, I believe. If that's not like the charging thing, but yeah. And now if you, this light right here is actually a little emergency light, but if you need it for like an emergency use, just press the GA, and there you go. It's on strobe mode, it's gonna show on the back, it's gonna show on the front, and it does the same thing on this yellow version too. It's just that the color is white and yellow. So what they both look like, this one is orange, this one is a yellow. This is on emergency mode, so it's like on the off, like roadside or something. Okay, so if you press this button right here, it will turn on the front spotlight. And if you hold it, it will show this on the back and your front LED on the front. Now if you press it again, it will shut off. It's the mount. I got the light right here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. If I press on it, that's what it looks like. Pretty cool. There's like this other option right here. That's cool. And there's this other option right there too also. From the back right there, if you could see it. And then that's the other option. And then let's see if I can find it. That's our first function right here. Pretty cool. And there's like a spotlight on the front also. This is my patrol light right here. I'll just cover that with the magnet. Cool. I need to make sure that there's no creeps out here. I'm not usually on patrol, but as you can tell, I got my 2 patrol lights on. And they're on. This is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Yeah, I gotta turn it off because I'm not outside.